Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to list all install package. Please subscribe this channel. So let's get started. The apt tool on Ubuntu 14.04 and above makes this super simple. Now open a terminal and type this command apt then list dash dash installed and then hit enter and see. By this tool we can check is a specific package installed or not. So type apt apt list dash dash installed, then package name. This package is already installed. Another package dash a. Like video and comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.